Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video we have seen how to create put REST API in Next.js. In this video we are going to use the same put REST API in Next.js. So how to do that? So this is the same web page in which we are going to use this put REST API. Just we go to the page here, create one more button and I give the name to put. After that you see that on submit we have created this function, so we have to remove it because now I will submit on the click of a button, and I am changing the name of this. I say submit post, so same function I am calling on the click of post button. So I say here on click equal to submit post, like this. Save this. On click of post we are calling submit post function, and on click of put we will call on click equal to we will call submit put function. Save this. So submit put we need to create, submit post is already there. So I just make a copy of this because same type of coding we have to do. So I make copy of this and I paste it here. Same function, remember that. Now function name is put. So submit put, I need to use it. Now I need to change it according to the put requirement. Put means we need to have a ID. So on the basis of ID we want to delete. So here I say EID equal to, and here I need to pass the EID. That would be emp_rec.eid. So that we will use here. Remember. So I'm passing this ID, and in place of this I need put. Header is same, data is same, status is same, but here we say record updated, same. So we are calling now put API that we have created. We are calling this by passing ID. Now remember that if ID is inserted or not by the user, that we have to check also. If you want to check, you can check this also like this. You can check if emp_rec.eid is there, then you need to add information like this, else we can alert that enter EID, like this. Save this. So we can put here enter EID. So go to this interface, put we have, suppose I click here, so it should, we need to call, we need to change it to post also. So I say this method in a form is equal to post also, like this. Put is there, on click put submit is there, post is there, then I need to refresh it like this, and I click on put. You see enter EID, saying enter EID. So suppose I want to change the value of first employee, the first ID, and that is Dr. Vipin, that I want to change to Dr. Vipin classes. So I pass ID number 1. I say here that Dr. Vipin classes, then I say this information I want to update. I click on this. If everything is okay, record updated is coming, and we see go to get, and you see Dr. Vipin is converted to Dr. Vipin classes. You see salary is also increase, like this. So any information, suppose you want to update information number 5, in place of Amit Gupta you want to change the salary to something else. So suppose I say ID number 5, Dr. Amit Gupta is here, and we want to change the salary, so we can put something else, and I click here, and you see record updated, and you will see that salary is also updated. So same kind of thing you can do with the help of this interface. So in last video we designed this put API, put REST API, and now in this video we have designed the page also for this. So these button we have defined, and we are just updating a record with the help of Next.js web page. You see, nothing special. You can make this interface more optimized, because like I'm like checking ID, EID, you can check other information also, like salary and name is inserted or not. So you can do anything whatever you want as per your requirement. Here I'm just showing the dummy interface to use this put API also. In next video we are going to learn how to create one more API, that is called delete API. So how to do that and how to use that delete also in the same interface, that we are going to learn in next videos. So if you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.